Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I'm ready to plan for another week, and I always get excited when it's time to do my plans. So this week I'm planning for February the 15th through the 21st. I bought my, I'm gonna do, you know how usually in my channel, I am on my plans, I usually use all kinds of papers, stickers, everything. But I'm so in love with this paper, Lady Vagabond, from Stamperia, and it's by Belinda Basson. I'm so in love with the look of this paper and just the parts of this paper that I had bought a couple, and I said, you know, when the time comes, I'm going to use it in my planner. So here we go. This week, Lady Vagabond in the planner. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I think I want to use a little Distress Oxide. Let me do my usual, move this off. I'm hoping this color is kind of what I want for this. Now, a little bit more greener than I want, but I'm liking it, and I'm going to use it. A little bit more greener than I like, but I'm going to use it. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's had a good week and everything. Hope everyone's staying safe, and that family, everyone's good. We're kind of getting to the point. I heard good news today from the news that cases were going down, but I'm not going to talk about that. I'm just going to let that go and just say, stay safe, everybody. Please continue to stay safe. I was watching someone's channel the other day, and I have to remember her name. And I'm sorry if I don't remember your name, but I remember what you did. She was making banana bread. And oh, I should remember her name. Oh my goodness. I feel really bad I don't remember her name. But she was making banana bread. And listen, if I don't have your name right here at the moment, I will find you and list you in your channel in the box below, so everybody will know about your channel and about that banana bread that you were making. So I can remember when I'm speaking of banana bread, I love banana bread, and I used to always have a banana bread. Banana bread is one of my favorite things. I just love a good banana bread. I do. I love a good banana bread. How did I want this to go? I think I want this here. I think I'm going to put this in the middle here. So if I'm going to put that in the middle there, I want that there. And I'm writing in these spaces. So I know I know sometimes people look at my spreads and they go, Jay, where you writing that, girl? And I think I said this before. I write all over my planner. I mean, every space on my planner pages get written on, and I find a spot. So when I'm dreaming of these things in my head of how I want this to go, I find a spot. So when I was in college, this friend, Linda, introduced me to banana bread, because that wasn't something that I had eaten all along. Oh, wait, I don't want this to go all the way down, because I want this here. Yeah, I want that there. So anyway, she introduced me to banana bread, and she made this nice banana bread with nuts in it, right? Sometimes I like a little nuts in my banana bread, and sometimes I don't. So once she had turned me on to banana bread was one of my favorite things to munch on, while I'm working or doing something like that. So I would love a good banana bread. But when this subscriber on her channel made the banana bread, I was like, I gotta have some banana bread. And that's all I've been thinking about since I seen her video about her making the bread and actually making the bread. So I'm thinking, you know, Jay, can you make banana bread with some Splenda? Because, you know, I don't eat a lot of sugary things these days. You know, I'm diabetic and I can't have a lot of sugary things. But this banana bread has been on my mind this whole time. And I was wondering, I just wanted to ask you guys, has it ever happened to you where something you liked, someone brought something up in your mind, and your mind's eye said, I gotta have that. I gotta have it. That's what I want. I want that. And that the whole time you've been just thinking about this item, how much you had to have it, and how much you wanted it. And it even went about because you had to go to the store and get the items in order to cook the banana bread. So that's where I am, my friends. I don't have any childhood stories about banana bread or anything like that. I just know that at this moment, I'm obsessed with banana bread. And I gotta have some banana bread. So I'm letting my bananas get a little soft and everything so I can do it. And if I end up making the banana bread, I will share my banana bread recipe with you guys. Oh, I like that. I will share my banana bread recipe with you guys. Now, I have places to write. I can write here, 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 and I write on the clock. Got my little spots over here, so I still have places to write. And I'm liking the way that came off. I like that look of that. And where's my oxide? I want to put a little of that green on the newspapers so I can carry that color through there. All right, so I like that one. So that's the way I get sometimes. So if I make the banana bread, I promise to post the recipe here and on Instagram. I'll post a picture once I get the bread done of how it looks, of how it's looking and everything, and if you can make banana bread. So when you see sugar, note that I did Splenda instead of sugar, because I can't do sugar the way, you know, that and everything. I can't do it that way, so I have to have a little, have to have mine that way. Okay, let's put the top back on that. So here we have our cutout of the lady herself, Lady Vagabond, who's a traveler back in the day. And she traveled all over the place, I'm sure, had such adventures. I like books about traveling and adventures. I like time travel books and time travel books, and time travel books with a little romance in it. I like a little romance in my, oh man, did I do so? Oh, look at that. Get out of there. Don't do that. Must have hit something on my hand. I like a little time travel with a bit of romance in my books that I read. So I like that. Wait a minute. I gotta hold this up for a second. Hold this up for a second. Hold right there for a second. Because I wanted to put this down because I need a writing space on Sunday morning. And I just put her on Sunday, so I kind of need to put this down here. Like that. Down a little bit more. I know it's the weekend and I can see that at the top, so I want that right there. Or do I need it down a little bit more? I may need it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it, because usually when I touch something, once I glued it down, I usually, I picture stuff in my head of how I want it. Then I come and get it done, and then I glue it all down, and it doesn't work out that great for me. But I want these behind her there, like that. Want a little bit of green in there. Okay, I want that like that. Okay, and this is her flying ship. So when I make the banana bread, let me get back to that. I will post the recipe and everything like that and see how it goes for me. I'll have to freeze most of it because my daughter, who will be here with me, won't eat banana bread. So it'll just be me. It'll just be. And if you try the recipe out, let me know. Let me know what you think of it. So I think it's a pretty good one. You can add nuts if you want. I won't be adding nuts to mine. I don't think I will, but I don't know. I have to look in the cupboards and see what nuts I have. And see if I have any nuts I can add to it, but I'll probably make the banana bread over the weekend and see. So if I have some on Monday or Sunday when I come down to do my spread here, I will bring a slice so you can see how good and delicious it looks, and then you get the recipe, and if you like banana bread, make some for your family. It's one of the treats, but make yours with real sugar if you're not diabetic. All right, my friends, this is my spread for the week. Forgive that, that's my fingernail. This is my spread using Stamperia Lady Vagabond. This side. So tell me what you think of the spread. Tell me what you think of the papers. And tell me if you get something like that stuck in your head, and if you do it. There we go. Spread for the week, all done. Lady Vagabond, made with papers from Stamperia Lady Vagabond. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. Be safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. And always remember to be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.